Hello, I'm Tiffany. Almost 2 years ago, my husband, me and our 2 children made the life-changing move to rural France, along with our 2 dogs, 3 horses and 2 guinea pigs. Since then, we have acquired more beautiful faces and many more experiences along the way. Welcome to my donkey story and adventures in rural France. We were forecast bad weather, but this is like a bit like hurricane style weather coming through here. Certainly felt like it when we had some windows left open. We have needed this, it's been so humid, but this is wild. We had to go back inside because the wind kept getting stronger and it didn't feel very safe. We were slightly worried about roof tiles. This is from Fifi's Velux. Once the wind had died down and everything was still going on around us, as you can see, we just went out to check for some damage and find some horses, possibly donkeys too. There's your dad's shorts. Yeah. Oh look, grab the cat. Mons! Oh. We knew there was a bad storm coming, but didn't expect anything like this at all. As you can see, from things flying everywhere, things were in places I never thought they would be. But the horses were fine, and the donkeys weren't on anyone's rooftops. They were also fine. Oh my God. Flooded everywhere. I can't see the horses. Just a few more pictures of things that were taken and flown around that night. Here we're just checking out what happened the morning after so we can see in the light. As you can see, the garden is littered with bits and pieces, umbrellas, chlorine holders from the pool. There's bins and buckets everywhere, but no bad damage. Everything was absolutely fine. There wasn't any structural damage to the barn or to our house, thankfully, but the worst thing that happened to that was the cap came off the chimney. But Mick's just going to have to get up on that ladder. I'm certainly not doing that height. Stormy skies certainly hung around that day. The following day, we collected our friends from the airport. They managed to dodge the storm, but didn't realise they were going to end up being crocodile bait. We took them to Planet Crocodile in Poitiers, where you can walk over large nets very high up to view the crocodiles and the alligators, or you can walk on the normal platforms. We decided to do both.
How you feeling? Should we bounce?
Luckily for us, they had already been fed.
So his name is Cold Snake because
we met lots of other creatures, different reptiles, and some very weird and wonderful plants there.
Just seen the funniest seed pod.
We were just easing our friends Lisa and Nick in gently, because as we know, land work never stops. So after a quick lunch stop, it was back to it. Thanks Lisa and Nick, who did a lovely job swimming around our well.
This is how much she loves us, or me. Look what she does. You don't need to do that. Yeah. It's alright, you'll have a pedicure when you get back. I don't. We're so lucky. Our friends understand the land never stops. And Lisa's always done this for me since I was 5.
So after some strimming, pruning, poo picking, tidying up, the house, the land and the barn were looking a bit more back to normal after the storm as well. Thank you so much, guys. You've gone and we'll miss you so much. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching this week. And of course, to my lovely, lovely subscribers, you are all stars and I can't thank you enough and appreciate every single one of you. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, share and hit the notifications. Have a good week. Au revoir.